What happens when you fail to extend your trademark registration? Failing to extend your trademark registration could result in losing your trademark to a competitor. 6 years after receiving your trademark registration, you must file maintenance documents showing that you are still using the trademark in the way you initially applied for. You will need to file at the 6th year mark, the 8th and 9th year marks, and then every 10 years after that. If you do not, any competitor could swoop in and lay claim to your trademark, turning all your efforts and brand identity against you. Don't let your trademark expire. Work with an attorney who will help you protect your brand long-term. U.S. Intellectual Property Attorney E.J. Lee will not only help you file your trademark, but will also help ensure that you never miss an extension deadline. For more information about trademark protections, or to begin filing your own, go to www.ejleelaw.com.